Kei Ngārawa, Daryn McKenny, through this workshop which we've put together, have an opportunity to be able to look at koala through an Aboriginal lens, have an opportunity to bring together all sorts of technologies to support walking bush at night, walking bush during the day, finding scats, finding our scratchings on the trees, how we can capture that data, being able to use mapping and collection tools. You know, the best methods that are available are actually accessible to us to be able to do this. What we've been able to do is bring together an opportunity that we can actually use to empower ourselves to, as soon as tonight, grab a headlamp and go out and start looking for koala. And then knowing what do we do when we find that koala. And out of it all, it's not just the data and that moment which we capture, it's the story and the relationship which we will bring to this as Aboriginal people, working with the wider community, whether they be in another department, working with government, working with organisations and ecologists and so forth there. Us as Aboriginal people have a extremely strong offering to this space because our relationship with koala has been the longest. And the knowledge system which we have has been given to us from them, from koala. Let's make the most of that and make a difference. With them as an umbrella species, they have the ability to help us look after everything. Hopefully by coming together as a group, for me being able to share and touch on my experiences and a bit of my journey of working with koala and building that relationship with koala, I hope to share that and more with any of those that do come along and actually have an interest themselves as well. And nana kumba kumba, wa.